I'm Meg McNamara. Thanks so much for checking out this CBSBaltimore.com update. So the radar here for Harvey, pretty devastating for southeastern Texas as heavy rains just continue to pound the same areas here near Houston, near Galveston, and we are not done yet. So some areas have recorded up to 30 inches of rain. There's the potential for 20 more inches before this storm is done with southeastern Texas. So the very latest on the movement, meandering very slowly right around 2 miles an hour to the southeast, is expected to continue that motion and move offshore sometime right around tomorrow night, it looks like. Now, as it moves offshore into the Gulf, it could re-strengthen as it moves into those very, very warm Gulf waters. And that just means bad news because it's going to continue to meander in this area, meaning that the same places are going to see more and more rainfall over the next 3 to 5 days. Let's talk about potential tropical cyclone Temps. So this is expected to become Tropical Storm Irma sometime tomorrow. As for the movement, north-northeast, meaning continuing to move up here, up the East Coast. So, of course, this is something we will certainly be keeping a very close eye on here in central Maryland. Temperatures right now, we are at 72 degrees, east winds right around 9 miles an hour. And across the state, we are seeing low to mid 70s. That is the range. Our weather watchers in agreement with that, so thank you so much. The radar and satellite, you can see a few clouds. We're looking pretty quiet through the overnight through the overnight hours. Now here we are, Monday, 9 a.m. Yes, we're all headed back to work, oh joy, and it does look pretty clear at this point. However, we could see some building cloud cover, I would say, throughout the day. Heavy cloud cover to start off our Tuesday. These storms possibly moving into southern portions of the state, it looks like Tuesday afternoon. However, this model shows them staying to the south of us for the most part here. Wednesday, a disturbance moving through, kind of stalling out, though, and then we do see the potential for a few showers again on Thursday. Now, if you're taking the boat out, a small craft advisory starts late tonight, continues through tomorrow night. East winds out on the waters 10 to 15 knots generally, however, could see gusts up to 25 knots. We're going to cool down into the upper 50s, and then tomorrow only climbing back up into the upper 70s, that mix of sun and clouds that I mentioned. Here's a look at our 5-day forecast here. Briefly get back up into the 80s before another front cools us down to 77 by Friday.